那有饲狗的人就知影讲，有的狗仔是真巧的。那即马阁有人研究讲，有的狗仔只要听咱人咧讲过，就当学着内底咱讲到的词类。
Do you wanna play with your stinger?
主人提出新的佚佗名，甲朋友讨论，坐伫后边碰喜的狗仔听甲甜甜有味，佮换一个佚佗名试看卖。
This is your armadillo. It has armadillo ears, little armadillo feet.
即摆狗仔听甲搁较认真，出去挑战来啊！这项实验故意将新的佚佗名甲其他佚佗名放伫另外一个房间，爱狗仔听指令去摕。
Next one is armadillo.
Basket, go get armadillo. Get your armadillo.
动作真紧的狗仔试去看，果然精准达成进步。
Yes, good girl, yes.
In this way, we found that the dogs were able to learn the names of the toys. That not only were they able to learn the names of the toys in this way, they were actually equally good in this condition where they were overhearing their owners' interactions.
这项上下里甲奥地利上新的研究发现，有的狗仔敢若是伫边仔听甲看，就用偷偷学晓新佚佗名的名字。研究人员进一步做测试。
And what we did is we told the owners, first show your dog the toy, then put the toy in a bucket, and only when the toy is out of the dog's view, then you can say the name of the toy while you're looking inside the bucket.
用这种暗示的方式，狗的表现同款，互人学到，正是狗的推理认知能力超过咱所想的。这是人第一摆发现，狗仔透过听人的对话，就用学晓新的名词。拍破过去狗仔爱透过训练这样执行指令认知，狗的反应甲人类囡仔有啥无同，也是科学家进一步探讨的主题。公司新闻张慧敏编辑。